Hey everyone, I'm back. This is November's Loot Crate. It's awfully small and kind of light, but don't underestimate the size of things. So here we go. Well, I can already see a Fallout item, and let's start from here. So, Shredder mask with glasses. That's pretty cool. Let me see if I can. Hope that looks okay and not retarded. So there's that. Next is a Mockingjay pin. That's pretty cool for anybody who is Hunger Games fan. A Fallout bobblehead. I haven't seen for a long time. It's not open yet and might not ever be. Blizzard Cute But Deadly series figure. It looks like you can either get Kerrigan, Arthas, Sylvanas, Zeratul, a Murloc, Diablo, and then 3 special edition ones, which is a Murloc, Nurloc, and a different Arthas. So, right there, those are the back sides. Pretty cool. I used to play WoW and I stopped. It just consumes too much of my life. Gift of the Geek. Oh, it's gift tags from Loot Crate to put on presents. Magnets for the Cute But Deadly. That's pretty cool. I think that's interesting. And then here's the book that everything comes in. Oh, there's the bobblehead. It's pretty cool looking. So here we go, the pin. November's Loot Crate. And last but not least is a Street Fighter comic book. I used to read comic books, so that's kind of cool. Alright, well, that was November's Loot Crate. I hope it was as interesting to you as it was to me. The next Loot Crate I have that I will be showing will be the Level Up Loot Crate. So, you guys have a good day. Bye.